So you guys are here for a welding contest, and I hear you are pretty fast.
Of course we are.
But what I want to see is how you do against one of the fastest guys on this planet.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
Okay. I'm very surprised. I'm his big fan. It's been so fun.
Yes, I was a little bit surprised. He's very fast, but I think I'm faster.
I actually have a degree for welding. I studied to be a car mechanic, so I welded a little bit and know a little bit how to do it. So I'll try to give a good competition for these guys.
So the competition is simple. The fastest time wins. The task is to weld a front wing of an F1 car. Gentlemen, start your engines.
Yes, I was surprised. It's unbelievable.
Well, luckily I didn't have to use that front wing in the next race.
Well, yes, I was surprised. He's not bad.
Yeah, maybe we can calculate the time difference if we go to the go-kart track example. See if I'm more than 2 seconds quicker.